Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes His Trade Great? ROIV, guys. So this was an AI alert, 1212. You had a lot of opportunity to take this trade. You see, here's the candle in which the alert happened. That's a 15-minute candle, but it pulled back, and then you had an opportunity to get back in right here. But what really made the trade great is that if you look at IMVT, hopefully this will load quickly enough. Come on. IMVT, look at the move this had. This is up 100%. ROIV has a stake in IMVT. And why did IMVT move higher? It had some great news, I guess, about its drug. So ROIV has a stake, I think I read 50% or something like that of IMVT, and that's what made it great. Kind of piggybacked a little bit on what IMVT was doing as a stock price. All right, guys, want to get back into the room. Have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.